Hey guys, Tucker here, and I wanted to make this bonus video because there's a lot of footage that I don't use in my everyday vlogs. There's a lot of bloopers from kind of the end of car meets when everyone's kind of heading out and there are a few of us left over. We do a lot of kind of random stuff during that time, and it's kind of funny. So I figured I'd release this by request of a few people, just because I have a lot of this footage. So I'm just going to kind of cut this into a short blooper reel video. And yeah, it should be pretty entertaining, I hope. So, enjoy this. This is the smart thing to do. The smart and legal thing to do.
Get out the way! Kidding me? I would take you in the auto. To be honest, cute.
It's a ladybug. Cool.
What do you think you're doing? Taking video of my car?
Yeah, I'm ready. Boy! Boy!
Fuck.
Yay.
Nice park job, douchebag.
Nice BRZ, man.
Thanks, dude. I painted it black with some speckles.
Yeah.
Wanted to make sure that it had a new look for the next meets.
Yeah.
So I could cut off some weight.
Yeah.
Did some weight distribution. Tried to keep it in the center,
Yeah.
I felt like if it was too wide.
Yeah.
Like I did the wide body and it just felt like it was just too much.
Yeah.
Too much excess. The wheels
So
were too wide.
you just took all the fenders off.
Well, see, we went from 12 inches wide in the rear, slimmed them down to about what, 5, 6?
Yeah. Yeah. Go for it. Take two.
Oh, damn.
There you go, let's do that again.
Safely stopped.
Oh!
Call me Ronaldo.
Oh boy!